Welcome to this video on Introduction to Generative AI and SEO. After watching this video, you'll be able to explain the impact of generative AI on search behavior and SEO strategies, examine how generative AI enhances keyword research, content structuring, and metadata optimization, and recognize the potential challenges of using AI for SEO. Generative AI is transforming how marketers approach search engine optimization, or SEO, and how users search for information. Search engines like Google and Bing are no longer the only go-to platforms. AI tools like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and Meta AI are becoming key platforms for information search. Even on Google, Gemini AI now prioritizes AI-generated summaries over traditional rankings, delivering instant answers and reducing clicks on search results. As users rely more on AI-generated responses, organic search traffic may decline. Gartner predicts that within the next 3 years, brands will see their organic site traffic decrease by 50% or more as consumers embrace Gen AI-powered search. To stay ahead, marketers must optimize for both traditional search engines and AI-driven searches. Ranking in AI summaries requires content that is concise, authoritative, and well-structured. SEO starts with keyword research, and AI is transforming this by providing deeper insights into search behavior and intent. Instead of manually filtering through data, marketers can use AI tools to analyze vast data sets to identify trending keywords, search volumes, and competition levels, gaining deeper insights. Further, AI can categorize keywords based on user intent, informational, navigational, or transactional, ensuring better alignment with the kind of content being planned. It also helps uncover hidden opportunities by identifying low-competition phrases or long-tail keywords that improve rankings and cater to specific audiences. As an example, let's consider the presented prompt that directs an AI tool to analyze competitor keywords, categorize them by intent, and recommend alternative keywords that are easier to rank for. Another major transformation is that AI can forecast emerging trends, helping you to create proactive content strategies. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini can provide impactful keywords if you provide a prompt with relevant details, such as the product type and target audience. Here is an example of a prompt for generating keywords on home products for an e-commerce website. Suggest 5 low-competition long-tail keywords related to eco-friendly home products for an e-commerce website targeting young consumers in the USA. Provide the data in a tabular format. A sample response generated by ChatGPT is shown here. Once keywords are identified, AI tools can help optimize content to meet user needs as well as to rank higher on search engines. With AI, you can get recommendations on keyword placement, readability, and headings and subheadings to structure your content effectively. AI tools can also generate optimized meta titles, descriptions, and alt tags. AI goes even further. Simply provide a blog title, and AI can suggest related pages and links on your site to improve site authority and navigation. Generative AI can help to optimize your articles and blogs based on keywords and metadata. You can seek recommendations from a generative tool by providing prompts, including relevant details about keywords and metadata. As an example, let's consider this prompt to optimize a blog on best practices for remote work, to target the keywords as remote working practices and audience as working professionals and HR managers. AI-powered search engines like Gemini and Microsoft Copilot are reshaping SEO, pushing businesses to adopt new ways of capturing user attention. Consider how people search today. Queries are more conversational, like, "Where can I find vegan food near me?" AI helps optimize content for these natural, question-based searches. The content on your website or app needs to be structured for AI-driven search engine results page or SERP features, including sections like "People also ask." Further, AI personalizes search results based on user location, making localized SEO a critical focus area. AI offers significant advantages to SEO, but it also has challenges. To get the most out of AI-driven strategies, it's essential to recognize and address these challenges. The shift to AI summaries will reduce the chances of users clicking through to websites. This requires a new approach to generate organic traffic to the website. Over-relying on AI for SEO tasks can result in generic content that lacks originality and brand identity. Moreover, AI-driven search engines are constantly evolving, requiring marketers to adapt to evolving algorithms and user behaviors continuously. The integration of generative AI into SEO was a transformative shift. To succeed, marketers must adapt to the potential challenges while balancing AI-driven insights with human creativity. In this video, you learned that generative AI is transforming SEO. AI-driven tools are reshaping search behavior, prioritizing AI-generated summaries over traditional rankings, and potentially reducing organic search traffic. AI-powered tools are transforming keyword research and content optimization, making them quicker and more accurate. AI enhances SEO efficiency, but it also poses challenges like reduced website traffic, the risk of generic content, and the need for constant adaptation to evolving search algorithms. Marketers need to navigate challenges by balancing insights with human creativity.